Hello everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 9X Drain Clog Remover tool, so we're going to show you guys what this is here and all the different pieces and parts it comes with. And I'll explain how it goes. The box came a little crushed, but I think all the pieces look like they're in here. So it comes with, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these here. These are the plastic ones. These are like the latest and greatest, I guess, newest things that people like to do. So this one here, you can stick it down into like your drain in your shower or whatever, and then you put it all the way down in there. This one will go really far, and then when you pull it up, all these little grabbers here will pull up all the hair and grossness that gets into your sink. So I've used these before. My sink's pretty clean at the moment, so I'm not going to be able to show you it in use, but you get the idea. It's going to pull up all the nastiness, and that. It also comes with one of these. Actually, it comes with 3 of these. So these are little metal ones here. So these are good for the, different, if you're going to go through, cleaning the lines like of your refrigerator tubes, the water line. You can put this one here. It's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet. And so you can put this through, like it's like a, like a straw cleaner, for those disposable straws, but it's like a really long cable. So it goes in there. It's got a metal kind of cable to it. So you can just push it all the way through, keep pushing it through into there, and then you've got the little handle here to pull it through so you can clean out lines. So if you have some water lines that need to be cleaned or clogged or whatever like that, this is the device you'll use for that. Then if you drop some things into your sink like I have done before, you can use this here. Let me untwist this one here. So there we go. Okay, and so if you've probably seen these things before, like you push this here and then, sorry, I got to do it this way, and it comes out with the little grabber, and you can pull it in. I can kind of show you. So as you push, it comes out and do that. So I guess my fingers only work this direction, but you get the idea. So you push it down, and that comes out. So you can grab whatever, and so I can grab, I don't know what, here, I'll grab a mint. Let's see if I can grab a mint. Let's go. Right there. There we go. And grab a mint. So you can grab things out of the, so like I drop things in my sink disposal, often, whatever like that. If you get a little screw in there or just something falls in that you want to pull out, you just stick this down in there, grab it, and pull it out. It's great for automotive stuff or anywhere you're going to get behind a couch, anything, to grab stuff. So that's cool. So that's what we have. We have the 3 here things. I guess it'll also pull out hair and stuff. Here's the explanations of them there. And it comes with 1 of those pinchy tools, 5 of the hair tools for the sink, and 3 of the drain clog things, cleaning brush. So I like it. Thumbs up.